Hello all, very happy morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Today we are coming up with some pure linen sarees. Okay, all of them are hand block printed, and these are ranged at 1050 rupees. 1050. Shipping is extra. Regular shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So let's see the sarees. So each and every saree has different designs. Okay, some sarees will have two colors designs. Okay, I have around some 10 sarees today. All these sarees are pure linen sarees priced at 1050 rupees. 1050 shipping extra. Okay, so very soft saree. It's a pure linen. I will open and show you the sarees. The first one we are going to see is a white base with green and red combination. So this is the first saree we are going to see. This is how the body part will be looking. It's a white base. You have the red color border, and you have the box type designs. Okay, geometrical design. This is how the saree will be looking, and you have the pallu like this. The pallu is running. You have the contrast blouse for this saree. It's a red color blouse. Okay, and this is the pallu. This is the full look of the saree. The fabric is a pure linen with block printed work. Price is 1050 rupees. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned this in the description as well. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me for all the orders and inquiries. This is the first saree for today's live. It's a white base with green and red combinations. So the second one is a brown base. So this is how the saree will be looking. The fabric will be very soft. Okay. It's a normal maintenance. Okay. If you want the saree a little stiffer, you can apply starch, but starch is not mandatory. The fabric is very soft in itself. Okay. So this is the next one. It's a brown base with red color border. So you have the block printed all over the border and also in the body part. So this is the body part. This is the second one. It's a brown with this kind of a design. Okay, you have the red colored border here, and the pallu is like this. You have the running blouse with different kind of a block printing. So this is the blouse piece. The total length of the saree is 6.5 meters with approximately 1 meter blouse piece. Okay, so this is the second saree. It's a coffee brown shaded one. So this is the look of the saree. So for all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp. So this is the third one. It's a black color one. All the sarees are singles. Okay. So the next comes a lovely black color with white color printing. So the fabric is very soft. It's a pure linen. So this is this is the body part. You have this kind of a block printed in the sarees. Okay. The border you have a different kind of a design. Both sides you have the borders, and this is the body part with the pallu like this, and you have the plain black color blouse coming for the saree. So this is the full look of the saree. The fabric is pure linen. Price is 1050 rupees. So this is a black with white color block printed. So the next comes a green color with dark pink color border. dark green with dark pink color shade. It's not the red color shade. In videos and images there might be some color variations possible to the camera resolution. Okay, some colors are tougher to capture as well. So this is the next one. You have this kind of a block printing all over the saree, and you have the contrasting pink color border coming. Okay, and you have the pallu like this. This is the pallu work, and the blouse piece has the different printing running blouse, green color blouse with same kind of a border in the blouse as well, but the printing is like this. So this is the full look of the saree. The fabric is very soft, full block printed saree. Price is 1050. Okay, pure linen sarees. So the next comes a purple shade. Okay, this design has two colors, one in the purple and the other one is a light green color, parrot green shade. I will show one after the other. So a very fancy design. So this is the body part. So this is how the body will be there. You have a circle kind of a block printed work, and the pallu is having a floral design printed. So this is the pallu with floral design printed self-running blouse. This is the blouse piece. Okay, the total length of the saree is 6.5 meter with approximately 1 meter blouse running with the saree. So this is the full look of the saree. It's a purple shade, dark purple shade. So the next one comes with the same kind of a similar design to the similar design to the previous saree with parrot green color with red color block printed. COD available for all the products. If you want to see all our collections, we have listed all our collections in our WhatsApp catalog. In our profile, you can directly view our catalog as well in our WhatsApp profile. So this is the next saree. This is similar to the previous one with green color combination, and this is the pallu. You have the floral work pallu and the blouse piece like this coming running. All these are pure linen sarees, can be regular wash, maintenance free sarees. Okay, easy to drape, easy to maintain, very soft as well, skin friendly. So this is the full look of the saree. Lovely green color, light green color. It's not a brighter color shade at all, it's a normal color only. So the next comes a peach color with yellow color combination. This is how the block printed will be. Pure linen sarees priced at 1050. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a peach with yellow combination, very lovely combinations, and a dull shade only. So this is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be there, and the blouse piece coming with the floral work printed here. So this is the full look of the saree. This is the next one. Okay, the same design we have in the blue color combination as well. So blue with green color border and the pallu. This is similar to the previous one saree. So this is the body part. You have this kind of a block printed work in the body, and this is the pallu and the blouse piece. Full look of the saree. The fabric is very soft. Okay. So the next comes the blue color It's a steel blue shade, dark steel blue shade with purple combination with a different printing. So all over the body you have this kind of a printing. You can see the printing. Okay, in the border end you have a large printed block dot. So this is the pallu. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is the body part and this is the pallu. You have the block printer work in the pallu like this. You have a different color combination coming as ash color shade. And this is the blouse piece. So this is the full look of the saree. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. That is my number. So this is a dark steel blue color shade with a purple shade, okay, border. The same design we have in pink color. This is a pink color. This is the last saree for today's live. So the design is same as the previous one. So this is the design in the body part and the pallu. This is the pallu with this kind of a work in the blouse piece. The total length of the saree is 6.5 meters. So this is the full look of the saree. A pink with dark pink color. Okay, it's not red, it's a dark pink color combination. This is the full look of the saree. Okay, this is the last saree for today's live. For all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505. We will be 9150556870. We will be posting the pictures as well in our page after some time. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thanks for all your support. Keep watching, keep like and follow our page so that we will be posting all our updates. So you can follow that as well. So thank you all. Thank you again. Bye bye.